Had to remember then for a second what side of the road I was supposed to be riding on. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. So I'm just on the outskirts of Luxembourg and leaving the hotel, making my way back to Rotterdam for the end of the trip. The trip overall has been successful, I think. I'm going to concentrate on getting out of town and I will catch up with you later. So I'm making my way across Luxembourg into Belgium and then on to Europort. Although it's fairly busy on the motorway, at least the sun is shining. It's still only 9 degrees, it's a bit nippy. Scheduled arrival time is 1 o'clock, so I've got plenty of time. I think check-ins opens at 3, 4. I'm certainly looking forward to getting home. Yeah, I'm missing home. Well, I seem to be in that cloud now. It's more low cloud than rain. So if it doesn't amount to much, I'll be quite happy and pleased. Temperature's 8 degrees. I've got the heated grips on. Onwards. Well, this is taking a strange turn of events now. It's quite low cloud. Mist, fog. Oh, lights. Fog lights. Not much more to see. I'll turn you back on when the weather improves. Don't think I'm too far away from Belgium now, but the last 100 kilometres or so was just in fog. Temperatures have now got up to 10 degrees. It was down to 7. It has been bloody cold. Got the heated grips on, barely touching the surface. But at least I'm broken through the cloud into the sunshine. Just on the outskirts of Antwerp. Yeah, I've been making good progress. I've just filled up for the last time on mainland Europe. Might get that shower after all. Nope, yeah, it's raining now. So yeah, I've got an arrival time at 1:45, about 2 o'clock probably by the time I get there. So yeah, all good so far. I've just crossed into the Netherlands and it's started raining. Hopefully it's not going to be a long shower, but that cloud over there doesn't look promising. I'm about 30 minutes away now from Europort. I've got about a 2-hour wait for check-in, but I'm just glad I've got here okay. Good morning, we've docked at Hull and all the bikes are now ready to go. Very smooth sailing last night. Okay, I'll turn you off now for customs and back on again when I'm on the road. Good morning. So we're in Hull. Had to remember then for a second what side of the road I was supposed to be riding on. Border control wasn't too bad. I thought it'd be a little bit longer than that, but yeah, straight through. No issues. Now, blast onto the motorway, home in an hour and a half, and the end of a 18-day trip. So yeah, what can I say about the trip? It was enjoyable. It had its moments. Stelvio in the rain was one of them, and Grimsel Pass in the snow, hail. I think that was the worst one. And the good thing about early Saturday morning as well, the last time I came this way, and it was a weekday, so this road was back to back with cars, rush hour traffic in the morning. So yeah, good thing about Saturday is the rush hour traffic's not there yet, so I should be able to get through these roadworks pretty quickly. So yeah, back to the trip. Germany, the 3 days it took to get to Austria, very high temperatures. It was grueling, 35, 36 degree temperatures. Campsites were good. The first one was next to a railway line, so it wasn't really the nicest. It kept me up all night, but thankfully I had earplugs. And then into Austria. Austria was lovely. The Grossglockner Pass in gorgeous sunshine was fantastic. Hellingblut campsite there was excellent. And then obviously Kehlsteinhaus, Eagle's Nest. Yeah, that was a poignant experience given its history. Then down to the Dolomites, but unfortunately again the weather played its part. This is when it started to rain. The campsites were wet. The services were alright. Stayed in a hotel in Bormio. Just didn't want to stay in the rain again. The tent was already becoming muddy. And then on to Switzerland. Down to Lake Como. The campsite at Lake Como was okay. Rowdy Italian lads rocking up at 4 in the morning after a night out on the piss. Getting drunk, in other words, for those who are not colloquial to the term. Yeah, it was all right. And then crossing into Switzerland. Switzerland itself was nice, a little bit expensive. The food was expensive, especially if you're staying in a hotel and restaurants. Jungfrau Joch was a bit of a tourist trap, but since I was there I was going to do it. Then dropping down to Germany and the B500. Yeah, to Freudenstadt it was nice, but then the section to Baden-Baden was closed till the 2nd of October. So at that point I made the decision. It was starting to rain again, more road closures, more diversions. Made the decision to make straight for Luxembourg, Belgium and Europort and come home. I still got a week off work, which I'll probably need to clean the tent out. But overall it was very enjoyable for my first solo trip around Europe, and learnt next time a few changes are going to happen, I think, to kit, to gear, things I didn't use, different way of packing things. But yeah, it was overall, I enjoyed it. So yes, ferry back from Rotterdam to Hull, and yeah, now about an hour away from home, an hour and a half away from home. So yeah, looking forward to my own house, my own bed, thank you very much for watching. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Most of my viewers are not subscribers. And yeah, hit the like button, leave a comment on any of the videos for this trip. Positive, negative, yeah, I'm happy with either. Learn from everything. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.